2015, dancehall artist Razor B scored his breakthrough hit with the song Hot Up. Let's hear the backstory behind this song for this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
Yo, check this out. This is the boy Razor B. Reggae and dancehall, they don't know a Fiwi culture. Rum in me cup, rum! Rum in me cup, rum!
You had a breakthrough song called Hot Up. How did Hot Up come about?
I think I was at Uptown Mondays. And I said, Lati, you do a dance. I say, you know, say the dance bad. I was sitting back and say, you know, say the dance bad. We were rolling the night with me, she, Chin, Swat Twin and the whole away. And I asked her the night, I said, what a dance name? And she said, you know, say a long time I don't dance, but I don't have a name feet. So I say, you don't need to find a name for it, because I'm going to create a dance. I'm going to create the song for this, you know. I'm going to give me the name of some dancers. Lati called me, and she said, yo, you know, say, Queenie Keisha said, if we name the dance, Hot Up. I say, yo, boom, going on the boat. I say, Hot Up. I watch him, actually, I look on, she was sharing, I say, Hot Up.
Did you anticipate that Hot Up would have taken off, or were you surprised that it took off?
You know what, it's a surprise and an anticipation at the same time, because at the time, like I said, I be a male song around the ground. You understand? And the girls them just wanted something to dance to. The dance was doing great, but this propelled it to even a more international market around the world, because people start looking now to say, wait, why would she do this? Which song makes she do this? You know what I mean? So questions started to ask. You know what I mean? Start to arise, and people like, which artist sing that song here? So boom, Hot Up, and then the girls them start go party, and then doing the Hot Up dance is what just took over the whole 14 parish, took over Europe, took over America, took over Canada, the other rest of the Caribbeans them. And the first time this video released, because we're doing the video in the process also, the first 2 days we got 1 million views. Great.
How did the success of Hot Up change your life? What kind of doors it opened for you?
You know, man, it's opened many doors, because it allowed me to travel, to tour Europe twice. I've been to so many different countries in Europe. You know what I mean? They don't speak our language, and when they step on the stage and I sing them song, they owe them a repeat, and I sing the song them word for word. It's just like amazing. You know what I mean? It took me right around the Caribbean, you know what I mean? Trinidad, Antigua, St. Martin, you name it, St. Kitts, you know what I mean, Nevis. I mean, I was the only artist who came outside of Canada and come to Jamaica and find a hit song, and won YVA that day, best summer song for that year too. So it was a great look. So I mean, after winning even the YVA, it helped me even more, because Jamaica started to say, wait, I wish man this, you know what I mean? So I started touring the 14 parishes with that record.
Veteran singer Anthony Redrose has 2 new music projects out. Listen up for the details.
A place where you can be happy and free. Fertilize your own fantasies, yeah. Just get to that place.
A new project on the horizon right now. Well, 2 projects. One is called Sci-Fi. What has kept you in the production game all these years?
Well, really and truly, it's just the new talent, and to fuse the new talent with the old talent to make a little difference. It brings a difference to the business.
All right, but before we get to Sci-Fi, you dropped a project before that one. Which project was that?
It's called Singers Anthem. It's just all the singers.
Sita, she now go play with my love. She now go share with my love. She now go play with my love.
What was the reason that made you decide to work with singers on that particular project?
Well, as you can see, the market is filled with a lot of DJ coming out like rapid, you know. Nobody's not voicing the singers. Nobody is not into one drop rock steady, you know, like first time. People still listens to one drop. Because music is not only for young people, you know. Music is for everybody. And it's not only for Jamaican people too. It's for people all over the world.
Some me meet, some me greet, some me win all. Now the horse, some me take her to the nall. On the dance, some me turn and me spin all. Then we cruise on the coast in the mall.
Now your other project, Sci-Fi, who are the artists that you put on this project?
Well, I have a combination with Devante and Tonto Metro. I have a next combination with Arkai and Chico, and a next combination with Capleton and a youth named Little Robert and a combination with myself, Anthony Red Rose, and a youth named Samo T. Before I even send the project to the radio and hear it on the radio.
You would be my girl.
Not a lie girl, not a shy girl.
You would be my girl. Whoa, whoa.
Not a my girl, not a shy girl.
We're now at the old post office in Aracabesa, St. Mary, and this is where we close this week's episode of Pree. You don't know I'm your host, Naldo Addy, and I'll see you guys next time.